Welcome back to another Element Pack Pro tutorial. Today, we're exploring the EDD Product widget for easy digital download. With this widget, you can showcase your digital products in a clean, responsive grid that's fully customizable. From layouts and pricing to buttons and styles, everything is under your control. It's perfect for boosting sales and enhancing user experience. Let's jump in and see it in action. To begin, open your Elementor editor and search for the EDD Product widget by typing its name into the search bar on the left-hand panel. Once the widget appears in the results, simply drag and drop it into your editing area. Instantly, you'll see the default layout load onto the page, giving you a ready-made starting point that you can fully customize. Inside the Content tab, the first section you'll work with is Layout. Here, you can determine the number of columns you want to display, making it easy to adjust your grid to match your store's design. You can fine-tune the column gap and row gap to control spacing, set the alignment of your content, and even choose the appropriate image resolution for your products. At the bottom, you'll notice a toggle option for pagination, allowing you to enable or disable it depending on whether you'd like to display all items at once or break them into multiple pages. The following section, Query, provides robust control over which products appear in your grid. You can choose from 4 source options: Download, Manual Selection, Current Query, and Related. From there, you can set a limit for how many products to display. This section also includes 2 critical sub-tabs, Include and Exclude. The Include tab lets you highlight specific products or categories. You can filter by author or terms, set an offset to skip a certain number of items, and adjust the date range with flexible options like past day, past week, past month, past year, or even a custom range. You also have a variety of ways to organize your results using the Order by option, which includes title, ID, date, author, comment count, menu order, last modified, or random. Finally, choose whether to arrange products in ascending or descending order. At the bottom, you'll see a toggle labeled Only Featured Image Post. Enabling this ensures that only products with featured images are displayed, helping maintain a visually consistent grid. On the other hand, the Exclude tab works oppositely. It allows you to hide categories, authors, or terms you don't want to display. This feature is beneficial when you need to remove outdated products, restrict specific categories, or keep your grid focused only on relevant items. Moving on, you'll find the Filter bar section. With a single toggle, you can turn a filter menu on or off at the top of your grid. When turned on, it automatically generates tabs like All Products, Plugin, Elementor, Gutenberg, and Theme, depending on your setup. 2 additional options, Hash Location and Custom Text, give you even more control over how your filter looks and behaves. Next is the Additional section, where you can quickly decide whether to display categories, titles, and prices. You also have the option to select which HTML tag your title should use, giving you more flexibility for SEO and design consistency. Once you've set up the Content tab, head over to the Style tab for deeper customization. The first section, Item, controls the overall look of each product card. You'll see 2 sub-tabs, Normal and Hover. Under Normal, you can adjust the background type, such as adding a gradient. If the background makes your text hard to read, you can easily update the colors of your category, title, and price for better visibility. Once you've adjusted the colors, return to the Item section. Beyond the background, you can customize the border type, border radius, box shadow, item padding, and content padding. Tailor each setting to suit your design preferences. Switching to the Hover sub-tab, you can add unique hover effects by customizing the background and box shadow, helping your products stand out when visitors move their mouse over them. Next is the Category section, also with Normal and Hover sub-tabs. Under Normal, you can set category text color, background, border, radius, padding, and margin. You'll also find a full typography panel to refine the font family, size, weight, transformation, style, decoration, line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. For Hover, you can simply adjust the color and background to create interactive feedback. The title section allows you to fine-tune your product titles. You can adjust the normal and hover colors, set margins, and again use the typography controls for detailed styling. In the price section, you'll find similar options. Change the price color, adjust spacing with margin controls, and style the text with advanced typography settings to ensure pricing stands out clearly. The final section is the Action button, which controls the buttons that appear when you hover over a product. There are two subtabs: View Details and Purchase. Under View Details, you can customize the button's color and background type for both normal and hover states. Additionally, you can adjust the border type, border radius, padding, margin, spacing between elements, and typography to match your design perfectly. The Purchase subtab offers the same customization options as View Details, allowing you to style the button exactly as you like. Once you're happy with your setup, click Publish and preview your work to see everything in action. And that's it. You've now seen how to use the EDD Product widget to display, filter, and style your digital products in a way that perfectly matches your brand. Experiment with the different options, refine your design, and build a digital store that not only looks professional, but also delivers a seamless shopping experience for your customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest features and tools from Element Pack Pro. Thanks for watching.